Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Be Creative. This is Ashwati. Today I'm here before you with yet another Amazon haul. You guys know how much I love Amazon shopping. I have already done couple of Amazon shopping hauls with you all, and you guys seem to like it a lot, so I thought that this time I will share with you all what I shopped from Amazon. This is a very small haul. I've bought 5 beautiful Afghani earrings, and one more thing I need to tell you guys is that we might get these earrings in sasta rate, cheaper price from market, but then I feel that online shopping is much more convenient for me as being a mommy. So let's get started. So very first earring I need to show you guys is this beautiful multicolor beaded and stone worked Afghani jewelry. This is a gorgeous piece. It does of 250 rupees, and I think for 250 rupees it's worth, because look at the work. It's absolutely gorgeous work. And one more thing I liked about this earring is that it has got stud. Usually these Afghani jewelry or other these kind of earrings comes with a hook. I prefer the ones which has got stud. So this is a gorgeous piece. It has got beautiful stonework and beadwork, and this is gonna look absolutely gorgeous with any plain kurti or salwar or sari even. And I think it's worth for the money. And next one is this silver Afghani earrings, and it is huge. I usually do not prefer this huge earrings because my face is really small, but then I liked this one surprisingly, and this one retails for 200 rupees, and sorry guys, for 200 rupees I feel that it's a good piece. And it is little heavy. I wouldn't say it is lightweight or it is it is little uncomfortable for ears, but then it is not very uncomfortable. You can manage to wear it for 3 to 4 hours, that's for sure. After that it might feel heavy, and it might be a little painful. Apart from that, it's a gorgeous piece, and I liked it. I really like this. Quality is amazing. Next one is this multicolor Afghani earrings, and I got it as a combo. This has got 2 earrings together. It was for around 300 rupees. So for one earring it would be somewhere around 150 rupees, and this one is something I absolutely loved. It has got this multicolor work going on, painted thing going on, and it's of good quality. Actually, it is not that heavy. And it is not lightweight as well, because as you guys can see, the size is really huge. It's not small, so it is gonna be little heavy, but then it is manageable. And this is again of good quality. I absolutely loved it, and it is again one of my favorite. Next one is something, it's a very common Afghani earring piece. You guys must have already seen it in with many other people, many other website. So this one is again has got multicolor beads and multicolor little bit of paint work going on, and this earring again, it is not lightweight or heavy. It is somewhere in between, and for 150 rupees I think it's good. It's okay, and I like the design. So this time I'm very happy with all the jewelry. 5 of them. I got 5 of Afghani jewelry and Afghani jewelry earrings, and I'm very happy with 5 of them. And the next one is the same, very similar, that not even similar, just actually same. Only difference is that the previous one I have shown you guys has got like this multicolor beads to it. This one is completely golden. So if you want to pair it with some printed work, kurti or salwar or even sari, you can go with this golden one. Or if you are having a plain kurti or salwar or sari, you can go with the previous one. That's the reason I got these two. And this one was for just 120 rupees, and for 120 rupees it's good. Quality is really amazing, all of these 5, and I feel that it's worth for the money. And but then, as I said, if you can find it in better price from market, it's definitely better. So that's it guys. I really hope this video has been helpful for you all. I'll be leaving the links down in description box, so please do check it out. So that's it guys. Let me know which one is your favorite jewelry. So see you very soon in my next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all, and please do not forget to like this video if you have liked it, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.